In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update your WordPress.com site. Whether you're a beginner or just looking to refresh your skills, this straightforward WordPress tutorial will guide you from start to finish. Let's dive right in. To begin, open your internet browser and navigate to WordPress.com. This is where everything starts, as you'll be managing your site directly from the WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, sign in if you haven't already. After signing in, your dashboard will appear, providing you with an overview of your website. Next, let's head over to the Posts section. Click on Posts from the menu on the left-hand side. This section is where you manage your content. If you're planning to add new articles or blog posts, this is the spot. Now click Add Post. This will open a new page where you can create and edit your content. Don't forget to craft a compelling title and engaging content. When you're satisfied with your new post, click on Publish to make it live on your site. Remember, publishing frequently keeps your audience engaged and can drive more traffic to your site. Moving on to Pages, click on Pages from the left menu. This section is similar to Posts, but is typically used for static content like your About Me or Contact pages. Here you have two options. You can either create a new page by clicking on Add New Page, or choose to edit an existing page by simply clicking on it. Make any necessary adjustments to your content, ensuring everything looks good and is accurate. Once you've made your changes, click Save to update the page. Now let's talk about the appearance of your site. From the left-hand menu, select Appearance. This is where you can manage the look and feel of your website. Click on Editor to update your theme. You can tweak colors, fonts, or even more advanced settings if needed. Explore the options available and make sure your site reflects your personal or brand style. Once you've made the necessary changes, be sure to click Save to solidify them. Finally, let's visit the settings. Click on Settings from the left side menu. This section allows you to manage various aspects of your site, from its title to more technical settings like your time zone. Make any desired changes here, whether you're adjusting the tagline or enabling comments. After tweaking the settings to your satisfaction, click Save Changes to ensure all of your updates are applied. And there you have it. You've successfully updated your WordPress.com site. Keeping your site fresh and updated is key to maintaining an active online presence. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has made managing your WordPress site a little more manageable. Keep working, keep creating, and most importantly, have fun.